Hey guys, we got this Binocular Kids tablet. It's a bilingual educational learning pad, and we got it to test and try. So let's saw and see the unboxing and things goes. So I'm just opening the box. This is alphabet learning or numbers, food and things. So this is a small tablet without the screen. So it's have the card screen in itself. So you have to put in the batteries. So there is no LCD or LED screen. So that is good for the kid's eyes. And it is very nice like the plastic thing here. And then on and off switches and thing. So for this you have to put in the batteries. So let's put in the batteries. This is the manual that describes the whole process. You have to, it is a very straightforward one. So you can just use it. So let me just open the back so that I can put in the batteries. So this is a learning system with 40 themes, and we received a yellow color one. So let me just take this out. So here I had to put in the batteries, two AAA batteries, and just close it down. So we'll start it. You will see that light is on, and these are the cards that comes with it. So you have to put in card one by one or the desired card in it, and it will start reading and interacting with you. So we insert the intro button first just to see like how this goes. Set up everything. Once set, take out this one and then put the one you actually want to read and interact with. And be sure that this goes totally inside it, and then you can just press the button and start interacting. For example, this is the musical instrument one, and that's how you just press the button and see. You can also change the mode like in the down here. So it's a quiz. There is a the other things that you can do. You can change the language as well so that you can interact in bilingual languages. So it's good for the kids learning. So there are the these total cards with the different themes. So as I mentioned, there are total 40 themes. So you can see like all the themes one by one here. It includes almost everything for a toddler or for a kid. So there is no problem for a kid to learn this and start using it. The kid can easily insert the leaf inside it or the fun card. So the kid can easily interact with all these different ones. They have fun, they can learn things, so it's good. And as I said, there is no LCD, LED screen, so there is no issue of the vision or anything. So this will not harm. This is just a good for learning, and it's pretty good for the kid. So they have a different functions like the language search, word learning, amazing sounds, basic games, and advanced games. So hope you have fun or your kid have fun with it.